SUPCASE sent us this Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Samsung S25 Ultra, and we are going to take it out of the box and show you what it looks like. Alright, first thing I noticed when I took it out of the box is that there are a lot of pieces. First, we have the belt or bag clip where the phone will just snap in and you can carry it on your person or in your bag. The clip itself does rotate 360 degrees, so that's nice. Position it whichever way you like. The back is a nice clear back. It's a pretty rugged case, but because it's clear, it looks a little more sleek. One of the features I like the most is that it has this kickstand that it easily pops out. It has a sliding mechanism so you can have your phone in portrait or in landscape for movie viewing. It also works great as a selfie loop if you want to use it like that. It locks in place very seamlessly. It does have airbag support on the inside. It does have a nice protective lip for your phone's screen and also a lip to protect your camera lenses. Now, another one of the main features of this case is that it features, or it comes with, two different frames. So the frames can either go around just your phone that is open with no screen protector, or you have the frame that does feature the screen protector, and it does also feature a thumb guide for your thumbprint or fingerprint recognition. This will be going on first, so let's go ahead and put it on. All right, so here's my phone. First thing you want to do is slide in, of course, the frame with the screen protector or without the screen protector, but it is going to be the front frame. So before proceeding, go ahead and make sure that you push that down to make sure your fingerprint works nice and smoothly. Next thing you want to do is put on the back. You want to do the bottom of the phone first and gently just slide that in like that. So it's very easy to get on with maximum protection. And as you can see, it's still pretty sleek and nice. So it's not a big bulky case, and it looks great with some great protection. I mean, as you can see, it does have a cover for the charging port. You can also access your stylus there. And of course, the front and back cameras are exposed. Now to use the clip, you're just gonna slide it in, screen first. You're going to hear that click, and there you go. You have your carrying apparatus there for wear on your belt, on your person, or on a bag. To release it, you're just going to use your thumb and unlatch it there. It's very simple to use. The the holder does have extra cushions on the corners for added protection. So this is a great case, and we would highly recommend.